Hi, it's Kiat. This time I'm presenting you a very special kind of video. The unboxing of my very first BJD. For anyone new to the matter, BJD is the short form of ball jointed doll. A doll that is crafted by an individual or a collective of artists, usually made out of resin. The artist I bought this doll from is Lola from Atelier Momoni, located in Spain. This doll was her very first boy doll as well, and I immediately fell in love with him the first time she teased him on her Instagram account. Look at my hands, I was so ecstatic when I opened that box. And heads up, this video includes an anatomically correct artist doll and not a mass-produced toy for children. If you don't like things like that, don't visit a classical art museum, you will feel over dead. To his specifications. This is an Atelier Momoni Petete doll called Ren. He's 29 cm tall. Atelier Momoni offers several skin tones and I chose toffee. He first was shown on her Instagram in June 2020 and ready for pre-order in September of the same year. The little excess you can see there was just putty from the eyes and could be easily removed. There you see, it's gone. He was a day one pre-order, which wasn't the easiest task because I was attending an artist alley the very same day. But I managed to snag him. After that it was waiting time because he is made to order. I received him in March 2021. He came safely wrapped in several layers of boxes and was encased in a dark pink silk cushion. There he is, he's gorgeous. I feel like I'm holding a national treasure in my hands. One of the strings inside wasn't cooperating at first, but quickly aligned with the correct holes in the joints. Now let's look at the goodies the artist sent with the doll. There are 3 postcards of her doll illustrations, as well as stickers and the certificate of authenticity. Since this is my first BJD, I wasn't sure if showing the number would do any harm, so I chose to cover it up. Let's look at him a bit more closely and test his posing abilities. Here is a close-up of his beautifully sculpted face. Here's the seal stamp of Atelier Momoni's logo. He has a very slender body, but a slight six-pack as well. Here's a close look at his hands. Atelier Momoni's dolls are usually known for the wide range of posability, and Ren is no exception. I especially like how close you can bring his upper and lower arms together. This pose is my favorite. His legs have such a wide range of movement, it looks so natural and comfortable. He's just masterly engineered. Here's a full shot of him, and I'm really happy with him. I already have a name for him, San Sebastian. When I will paint him, that's something I don't know. I first need a muse to kiss me. This is all for today. See you next time. Ciao ciao!